Oh, hi everybody. Couldn't see you behind the rubber band. Okay, that's better. Today we are going to be making rubber band bracelets. I'm so excited. All you'll need is these rubber bands and your fingers. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first you have to pick out your three colors like I did. I picked white, pink, and this lime green. Okay, so first, you're going to pick the color you want first. I want my lime green first, so I'm going to just take this and twist it. So I'm going to put that around my finger. So put one and twist that and put it like that. So that looks complicated, but it should look like this at the end. It's really not that complicated. Now you're going to grab the next color you want and just put it on without twisting it. So you can just put it on like that. And then with your next one, same thing, just put it on. You don't have to twist it at all. Okay, so now what we want to do is take that bottom one and take one of its sides and bring it up right there and just leave it there. Then you're going to take its other side down here, bring it up and around, and just leave it like that. You probably want to scoot this down. Now, at all times, you should have all colors on your fingers. So I don't have lime on my fingers right now, so I need to get another lime. So now, just put the lime on without twisting it, because the bottom one is twist. So now you're going to just do the bottom one again. The bottom one. See? Sorry. Sometimes it gets a bit twisted. Bottom one. Okay. And let's do that one more time, and then I'll leave it all to you. So I need pink on me now. So we're gonna grab the pink and we're gonna put it on. White, and ta-da, you have done that. Now remember to put your white on. Just simply do not twist it. All right, that's how you do it. So just keep doing that until you get some length. Okay, I just wanted to make sure yours is looking something like this right now. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the very end. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm now done. For a bracelet, it should be about this length, maybe a little longer, depending on the wrist size. Sorry. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do. Now I'm gonna show you how to seal it. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna take these off. So don't be afraid to just take them off. And then sometimes the two will come off, but don't worry, just grab that. And now get one of those clear things. Here, let me get one. Okay, so here is one of these. So now you're just gonna grab these top two. So for me, it's these green ones. Kind of get them in a little grasp. And then you're gonna take your clear thing, which should come with a set of rubber bands, and hook your rubber band onto that little hook, and then you got that. And then on the other side, you're just gonna do the same thing. You're gonna grab those two. Sometimes it's hard to tell which two they are, but gonna grab those two, grab them, and then you're going to go to where the clear thing is and hook it up. Okay, now you got your bracelet, and it may look small, but they're rubber bands, so they're stretchy. So now you can just put it on, and you can wear it now. So ta-da! I hope you enjoyed watching. Bye! Cover me in sunshine, cover me in good times, cover me in sunshine.